Every trip has that moment when you know you've officially arrived. For us, it's when the boat hits the water and the weekend begins. Lake Jocassee isn't about distractions. It's about unplugging, slowing down, and making time for the people who matter most. Sandstone Beach quickly became a highlight of the trip for the boys. They ran up the massive bank full speed and dove straight into the water. Rocks along the shoreline gave them places to jump from, while hidden coves offered spots to swim and explore. It was nonstop energy, climbing, jumping, swinging, all of it together. Simple, active fun that left everyone smiling and completely worn out. There's a lot of history beneath this lake. In the early 1970s, the valley was flooded, preserving pieces of the past underwater. Old roads, foundations, entire communities. This lake is over 300 feet deep in some areas. A stop at the swing bridge adds a little tradition to the trip. Step by step across, a little sway, a lot of laughs, simple things that somehow become core memories.
I don't know where these kids are taking me, but probably not good.
This is the part everyone talks about before we even leave the dock. One by one, we climb up. There's always a little pause at the top, a quick look down, a deep breath, someone below yelling encouragement. Then the first jump, a clean step out, a splash, cheers from the boat. After that, it moves fast, no more hesitation. Everyone takes their turn, different styles, different reactions. Some jump without thinking, some take a second to commit. But every single person makes the jump. You climb back up, heart pounding, water dripping, already smiling. The nerves are gone. Now it's just adrenaline and laughter echoing across the water.
All right, how cold is it?
Get a picture of Striker.
How cold is it?
3,000 degrees.
3,000 degrees.
Get a Striker.
Uh-oh, we got a visitor.
Oh, look at it.
It gets colder.
Oh my God. When can you reach the ground?
The best way to explore Jocassee is by boat. Load up, crank the engine, and head out. Some of the waterfalls here can only be reached by water. You pull into a quiet cove, cut the motor, and the adventure shifts gears. This trip is really about the kids. They had a blast out here, running from one thing to the next, never slowing down, laughing with their friends, staying in the water until they were completely worn out. The tubing might have been their favorite part. The boys climb onto the tube, holding on tight, already smiling before the boat even starts moving. Once it does, it's all energy, bouncing across the wake, trying to outlast each other, yelling back to go faster. Every turn feels bigger than it probably is. Every splash gets a reaction. And when they finally fall off, they come up laughing, swimming back, ready to go again. These are the kind of experiences they'll remember. Not just the tubing, not just the lake, but being here together with friends and family. Lake Jocassee isn't just a place you visit, it's a place that brings you back to nature, to adventure, to each other. Moments like this don't need much, just time, water, and the people around you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for checking out the channel.